It's almost time to make magic happen once again. We've been lucky enough to be there to capture these magical moments where folks on Delmarva suddenly realize they've won a whole bunch of free money. We've helped Ocean Downs Casino surprise winners of several of their giveaways over the years, and we're intent on making them make more memories.
Oh yeah, and later this month, they're making dreams come true once again with their $25,000 cash splash sweepstakes. And here with us this afternoon is Mike Hendy. He is the marketing manager for Ocean Downs Casino. Welcome to DelmarvaLife.
Thank you for having me.
I think it's the first time you've been in the studio. I see you out there making those dreams come true all the time.
Yes, this is the first time I've been in studio on property. Usually I have your crew, coming along with us.
So what's it like to surprise all those people?
It is a lot of fun. I think that's probably one of the best parts of the job is, seeing those promotions in action where people are like, oh yeah, sure, I could win, but is it really gonna be me? And you get to knock on their door and, burst in with the check and, the flowers and the balloons and, really see their faces.
Yeah. Yeah.
So why do you think it means so much for those folks to see you show up at their door?
I think it's just, the same reason why they love the game. It's that, there could be a chance, that excitement, I know it's probably not going to happen, but what if it does?
Right.
And then when you see it happen and you get to live that experience, it's just such a thrilling thing.
Yeah. Okay, so how can people participate in the sweepstakes?
So all you have to do is first, be a member of the Club Ocean, our players club, which is free to join. In fact, we give you money to do that. And then you just play with your card when you're in the casino any day now between, the 28th and actually 29th. And then, as you play, as you, gamble, win, lose, you earn points. Every 100 points gets you not only one of the scratch cards, so you get to, play a game within a game and try and win some more free player money, but you get to an entry, an electronic entry for that drawing that we're going to have on Friday. Next Friday.
Next Friday.
And, we'll pick 5 finalists and, we'll draw them in a random order and we'll go around and find them.
And then show up on their doorstep.
Right.
That's the hope.
Yeah.
You have a fun job. I'm sure you enjoy doing this.
We do a lot. We do. And it takes a whole team.
Sure.
Yeah.
The people that support me, make it possible for me to go out and do that.
Yeah. So what else is going on at the casino?
We have our racing season, which is always fun, ended earlier this month, but it'll be back again in 2024. But of course, we have, senior Sundays every Monday where, you can come out and also earn points and, swipe at the kiosk and play mini games to win free play, points, prizes, vouchers. And we have a really big concert this Friday. We have Don't Stop Believin', DSB, a local band, No Right Way, and of course, Jack Russell's Great White is going to be our headliner for our first, Turf at the Surf.
Ooh.
So that's going to be an all-day event, gates open at noon, and people can still buy tickets for it.
Nice.
Cool. So give us a recap of the sweepstakes, how folks can get involved.
So all you have to do is come in, play with your Club Ocean card, and every 100 points, you can go claim a scratch-off, and you earn automatically an electronic entry. And then you come in that Friday, 7 to 9, and you swipe, activate all those entries in the drum, and then we'll draw 5 names. And those will be our finalists, and we'll give them the instructions on, where to be and when, and, how close they have to be. And, not only does somebody win $25,000, but, all the finalists kind of get an envy, we picked you, but sorry we didn't pick you, prize.
Well, it sounds like a whole lot of fun, and we'll have all the information on our website. Mike, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And talking about the sweepstakes.
WBSC has made this so great for us, coming along with us, and having that camera crew as an additional, surprise.
Yeah.
So thanks for doing this with us.
No problem. Ocean Downs Casino could win $25,000.